welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to read a book to you about some Komodo dragons. So let's get started. I hope you like the video and please enjoy it. Komodo dragon. So I draw a picture of a Komodo dragon swimming in the ocean. Komodo dragons are the biggest lizards of the world. They come in the category of reptiles and cold-blooded animals. That means cold-blooded animals are animals that keep their body temperatures as per the environment. We call them monitor lizards. So now let's learn about their habitats. They live only on an Indonesian island. They prefer dry and hot climate. They have long forked tongue. Forked means like the Komodo dragon have a tongue like this shape. It has two parts, not one part like our tongue, like this one. So this is how it looks like, but it has two parts like this and this. Tongue, claws, skin, tail. Adult dragons are gray in color with large scales. Younger ones look more colorful. Komodo dragon is 8 to 10 feet longer. Weight is 70 to 100 kg. They have big flat head with rounded snouts. Legs are short and thick. Tail is very long, which helps in balancing body. So let's go to the tongue. Komodo dragons have fork-shaped tongue that sends smells in the air around them. It helps them to find prey. And they are carnivorous animals. Its mouth is full of deadly bacteria. Biggest prey for Komodo dragon is water buffalo. Though they can eat small mammals, deer, and humans too. That means they can eat meat too. They pounce on their prey. Then deadly bacteria goes into bite and make the prey dizzy. Then they rip them apart with very sharp claws. Look at the claws, they're so sharp. Female Komodo dragon lays up to 30 eggs. That's just too many. Female Komodo dragon lays up to 30 eggs in a hole. She guards her egg until they hatch. It takes 9 months to hatch. So here's the baby. Look, it's so cute and yellowy and orangey. Komodo babies are on their own. They climb on trees. They eat insects, bugs, and dead animals. Komodo dragons' survival is up to 50 years as they have no predators. Facts about Komodo dragon. Komodo dragon can swim from one to another island. They can run as fast as humans. They are very strong animals. Males are bigger than females. They can see during the day, but they cannot see in the night. After praying once, they keep resting for 1 week. What? I can't even believe that. After they eat one animal, they're just too tired and then they sleep for 7 days. So guys, I think you have learned so much about Komodo dragon. So I gave you a lot of information and now maybe you can make a book like mine too. Bye!